Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and this is the Project Management Made Easy video series. This course was designed to show you that you do not need to be a project manager or an expert at project management in order to use Asana. So these short videos will help you understand project management a bit better and to build your confidence in using Asana. So this video will go over Module 1, how project management works. Project management is a well-established and practiced methodology for medium and large businesses. But even for large companies, many projects are small or medium in scale. So basically, they're the exact kinds of projects that you, as a small business owner, will also be doing. So these projects can range from organizing an event to designing a logo and theme for a client's website. First, let's define exactly what a project is, since the term is so wide-ranging. A project is something that is temporary. In other words, it has a definite beginning and end. It's unique. It has a specific set of operations designed to achieve a particular goal. And it also has boundaries such as cost, time, performance, resources, and scope. And a project satisfies customer objectives and goals, whether directly or indirectly. Once a project is identified, there are 3 key phases in its life cycle, and that's planning, implementation, and closure. And what this means is that a project is something your business does beyond its normal ongoing tasks and activities. So take a moment to consider business operations you've carried out in the last few days that fit into this category. An important challenge for small businesses is to identify correctly what is a project and what is work. If you miss a project and identify it as work and then fail to give it the proper planning it needs, the results can be not so good. You'll end up with a project that is not executed well, that will lack the upfront planning, tracking, and follow-up that it needs. When you fail to recognize a project for what it is and instead see it as a collection of normal tasks, you'll most likely end up incurring higher costs or missing deadlines and frustrating everyone that's involved, including team members, customers, and the stakeholders. One major area that suffers when a project is not carefully planned is communication. When small projects are not managed, key communications such as status updates, they can be easily missed. And this could lead to all kinds of problems, such as confusion over the deliverables and the deadlines. And in worst case scenario, this lack of communication can alienate the stakeholders or the clients and cause them to become disengaged with the possibility that they just might cancel the project. To kind of illustrate what can go wrong when a small business doesn't plan well, let's look at a digital marketing company. So a new client agrees to do a week-long Facebook campaign to increase their sales. The marketer goes to the client's business and completes an initial consultation, and the client agrees to the work, and the job begins. So once the job started, the marketer discovers some issues that were not discussed with the client. And rather than just contacting the client to ask about these issues, the marketer goes ahead and does the best he can, making various changes along the way since they have other jobs that are coming down the line. So when the work is completed, the client is furious because the marketer didn't create the campaign they asked for. And as a result, the client refuses to pay. So now the marketer must redo the campaign and schedule it for another week. And this pushes back the other work that has come along since the job began. So what went wrong in this example? There was no detailed planning, no setting of work limits, and insufficient communication. Risks were identified but not addressed, leading to errors that cost a great deal of money. And redoing the job was stressful and a waste of time and caused problems for other clients who were waiting for their work to be done. And the marketing team had to work overtime, costing the company directly. And in the end, the client was upset, and this cost future business from the client and even potential referrals. You can clearly see that a little project planning goes a long way. All this could have been avoided if the marketer had treated everything as a project and not just work. In this course, you'll learn proven project management processes and strategies specific to small and medium-sized businesses. And that's it for Module 1. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe to see the upcoming videos for Project Management Made Easy for the Asana user.